Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Do you have a Mazda key fob which won't open your doors anymore? Well, then you've come to the right place, because today we're going to show you how you can easily and quickly fix this yourself. So to do this job, you're going to need one CR2025 battery. I've bought two because I might as well replace the batteries in both key fobs at the same time. And you're going to need a small flathead screwdriver to get the key fob apart. So the first thing we want to do is to open up our key fob. So we simply flip it over. You see that little switch there? You pull that across and then pull the emergency key out. And then what we're going to do is we need to split the key fob case. So we use our little flat screwdriver and we just come in like that. You can see there's a little slot. Give it a twist. You can see that's popped straight away. Now come around to the other side. Give it a twist. And then we can just put the flat screwdriver in that crack there. And you can see straight away and here that popped. So just pull that case off, just like that. Now we've got this little black protection piece, so just peel that off. And then straight away, you can see inside the CR2025 battery. Now that one's just falling out straight away, so we'll just get that to one side. And we'll get our new battery out of our packet. So you can see this one's actually in some sort of a child-resistant packaging. So we'll just grab some scissors, as it says, to cut that out. All right, so got our battery out. As you can see, I put a premium quality lithium long life battery. Pop that in the housing like that, and then we'll put our protective plastic back into place. Just press it in firmly like that. And then we can put the cover back on. You just place it around like that and just click it. Squeeze till it clicks. There we go. And then we can pop our key back in and we are done to test it. And then straight away, let's give it a quick test. And you can see that key fob is working perfectly fine now. So there you go folks, that's how to replace the battery in your Mazda key fob. If you have liked the video, do drop a like and drop a comment below. It's truly appreciated. And in the future, if you're interested in learning about maintaining and repairing your Mazda, do subscribe to the channel because you'll see videos on maintaining this Mazda 3 here. On the channel, we also feature a Mercedes, Audi, early Ford Falcon, and we do maintenance and repairs on all of those vehicles, as well as general DIY around the home. So if you're interested in that content, subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.